What if you could replace your diesel forklifts, without sacrificing power, speed, or reliability? Meet the CLARK L25 to L35 XE Raider, the electric forklift that performs like an engine truck, but with zero emissions and lower operating costs. The CLARK L25 XE is what we call an electric crossover forklift. It combines the clean, quiet operation of lithium electric power with the performance, ground clearance, and acceleration operators expect from internal combustion forklifts. From indoor warehouses to outdoor yards, the L25 XE is built to handle real-world conditions across Asia. With load capacities from 2.5 to 3.5 tons and travel speeds up to 19 km per hour, the L25 XE Series delivers serious productivity. Thanks to instant electric torque, acceleration is smooth and powerful, even on ramps, with gradeability up to 28% when loaded. Ground clearance, turning radius, and aisle widths are comparable to diesel models, so switching to electric doesn't mean changing how you work. At the heart of the CLARK L25 XE Series is safe lithium iron phosphate battery technology. That means fast charging, opportunity charging, and no battery maintenance. There's no battery swapping, no acid, and no ventilation rooms. With an integrated onboard charger, you can plug in anywhere, anytime, keeping your operation moving. Perfect for multi-shift operations and space-constrained facilities common across Southeast Asia. The L25 XE is engineered for operator comfort and safety. Excellent all-round visibility, a spacious ergonomic cabin, and a full suspension seat reduce fatigue over long shifts. Safety features like the operator presence system, ramp hold function, LED lighting, and intuitive LCD display help keep both operators and pedestrians protected, indoors and outdoors, even in tough weather conditions. Thanks to water-protected components, such as the IP54 protection rating of the drive and hydraulic motor, outdoor use is possible without any problems, even in bad weather as it is dust and splash-proof. An optional integrated onboard charger enables flexible charging at any conventional socket. This is ideal for intermediate charging, as recharging can be carried out directly at the place of use without having to take the forklift to a stationary charger. The CLARK L25 to 35 XE Raider isn't just an electric forklift. It's a diesel replacement, a productivity upgrade, and a long-term cost-saving solution. Backed by CLARK's global support network across the region through our offices and teams in Singapore, Hanoi, Sydney and Korea. Talk to us today and experience what a true electric crossover forklift can do for your business.